Hey everybody, it's Monday morning. In about 3 hours this will post, and you got three options today. Either you can wake up and freak out over every little thing going on. It's a good option. It's alright. You can wake up and decide you want to go back to bed, and that's an option too. It's a sucky option, but it feels good. And you get to be with your dogs, or your wife, or your husband, or whomever makes you happy. Some days that's a great option. That's the best option you can have. It's not a bad thing to do. And option 3 is to get up, put on your big boy pants, get out there and kick some ass. That's the one that I know you're going with. Y'all have a good day. Take care. We'll get back to the normal things soon. If you like my content, like, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. I have a new video coming up for FPV very soon. But for right now, I got to go to work and kick some ass. Because that's what we gonna do. Y'all take care.